Well, if you're a book lover, then you'll be glad to hear the South African Book Fair is taking place this weekend from today until Sunday, the 15th of June at the Cape Town International Convention Centre. Now, this is a literacy feast for all book lovers to indulge in, and publishers and authors from around the country and the rest of the world are going to be there as well. We've got SA Book Fair Program Director Batya Green-Bricker from the SA Book Fair here this morning to tell us all about it. Batya, hello, welcome to Expresso. So good to have you here.
Thank you.
So like I said, publishers, authors are all going to be there, but for anyone who hasn't attended the SA Book Fair before, what can they expect?
Oh, you can expect the biggest book buzz ever.
Amazing.
This is where the book world comes together and where everyone in the South African book industry comes together, and you can see everyone and everything behind the scenes. So you get to meet the publishers and the authors, the writers, and the readers, other readers, because reading is a solitary pursuit. And you know, when you go to a dinner party, everybody wants to talk about the book that they've been reading, this fabulous book. And this is just thousands of people talking about the fabulous books they've read. So it's a big book buzz. It's everything the book world has to offer. And you might even leave an author yourself.
Oh, wow, I absolutely love it. Books get me so excited. But I do know that previously it was called the Cape Town Book Fair, and now the name's been changed to the SA Book Fair.
Yes.
What was the reason behind that change?
Well, firstly, because Cape Townians can't have all the fun, firstly.
True, this is true.
But more importantly, they've changed the book fair. It used to only be in Cape Town every second year, and what we're trying to do now is to make it an annual event. This is the biggest book fair on the African continent. So we're going to try and make it every year, and it's going to alternate between Gauteng, Joburg, and Cape Town. So you'll get it every second year, but we also get a chance then.
That's fantastic. Now, we talk about technology all the time on the show, especially, and I know that technology's come a long way, and we can now even read books on our tablets and things like that, but it has been found that amongst young people, reading is declining. How is technology going to be involved within the book fair as well?
We'll certainly address technology, but the jury is out on technology because we've seen with the sale of ebooks compared to physical books that ebooks have plateaued. So generally readers are not necessarily in love with reading off their tablets or their readers. So the jury is out. We'll certainly be discussing it. We've got a session on the future of books, do or die. Is this the end or is it only the beginning? And I think that we can't be precious about how people read. As long as they're reading, we don't really care if it's on a tablet or a book.
That's true. Now, I have my favorite authors that I know that they're like rock stars to me whenever I see them. Are there going to be any celebrity authors that we can look forward to possibly seeing and maybe getting our books signed by?
Oh, certainly. There are over 100 authors. Over the 3 days, 130 events, lots of opportunity to engage and to talk and to meet the people behind the pen.
Yeah, well, that's so fantastic. And finally, just, you know, why is it so important that as South Africans we continue to not only support local books, but that we continue to support reading as a pastime and as something that every single one of us should be doing?
Well, I think that stories are so much part of both our heritage and our future. And we're actually seeing the stories coming out and the books being published are incredible stories about ordinary people. And I think that's what South Africans are about. So to share those stories, to share our heritage, to share a future, we have to be reading and sharing stories.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Batya, for being here.
Thank
it's going to
you.
be incredible. I'm going to be definitely going to be going there as well. The South African Book Fair happening from today all the way up until the 15th of June at the Cape Town Convention Centre from 9 in the morning to 6 in the evening. And tickets will cost you between 20 and 50 Rand as well. You did hear over 100 authors are going to be there. So you might even get to meet your personal hero and the person that's taken you through that journey, that literary feast. But it is time for us to find out who is the winner of our Father's Day cook-off. It is about to get real. Over to you, boys.